Hi, do you want to delete your Telegram account permanently? I will show you how. You can't do it inside your Telegram app. Open your web browser and go to this address. You can find the address in the video description too. Next, you should enter your phone number which you used for your Telegram account. Don't forget to add your country code. It will send a confirmation code to your Telegram. They won't send the code as SMS. You should have access to your Telegram account. Enter the code and sign in. Keep that in mind. If you delete your Telegram account, all of your messages, groups, and contacts will be deleted permanently, and you won't be able to get it back. If you want, you can share your reason for deleting your account with them. If you are sure and you really don't want your account anymore, hit yes, otherwise don't, because after this point there is no turning back. Also keep that in mind. After deleting your account, you might not be able to sign up again for several days. Wait until deleting process ends. If you see this green message, it means your account has been deleted. If you like, you will be able to sign up again after a while. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. See you soon.